Need a virtual card for online purchases with your Revolut 18 account? Virtual cards offer enhanced security and can be instantly generated. In this guide, I'll show you how to get a virtual card for Revolut 18. To get a virtual card, open the Revolut app and ensure you're logged into the Revolut 18 profile. Navigate to the Cards section. Here, you'll see your existing cards and an option to Get New Card or Add New Card. Select the option to create a virtual card. You might have choices for a standard virtual card or a single-use virtual card, which generates a new number for every transaction for ultimate security. Finally, once you've created the virtual card, its details, card number, expiry date, CVV, will be instantly available in the app. You can use these details for online purchases or link them to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. And there you have it. Getting a virtual card for Revolut 18 is quick and secure. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.